So our question today is why E&O? 20 years ago, if you asked this question, the answer would probably have been for a contract. I've been underwriting E&O for over 15 years, and we've seen the claims associated with our policies. It's not the contract causing the problems, it's the bad days when an insured makes a poor judgment call, trusts their vendor's words when they shouldn't, or think they're doing the right thing, but in hindsight, we're not. I don't think there's a single working professional, including you or me, who hasn't made one or all of these wrong moves at least once in their careers. There has been a rising tide of E&O professionals for quite some time. The US economy is mostly a service-based economy with more service companies listed on the Fortune 500 list than manufacturing companies. Even during the pandemic, it remained a service-based economy. Professional services acting as a backbone of our economy is what E&O is designed to protect. So as these service industries grow, so has this need for E&O.